Oh Lord, look at this. Look at the snow. Yeah. Looks like it stopped a little bit. Nope, I was wrong. You see it still falling right there? Yeah. Look at this. Look how much snow there is on the ground, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you. That's gotta be... That's about... Fuck. At least 5 inches, maybe 6. Yeah. Well, I don't have a freaking ruler on me, but yeah. That's a lot of snow. And it's still coming down. Supposed to get another 1 to 3 more inches. Yeah. Like I said. Yeah. There's about at least 5 inches on the ground. Oh yeah, crazy, isn't it? Look at that. The trees are just caked with snow.